supposed to be?
I'm JK, the better version of you. The one everyone actually laughs at.
You're just a copy with glue and some goofy jokes.
No, I'm just you, but better.
Alright, let's see if your jokes can keep up with my KJ moveset. I am not messing around.
Just try to keep up with me. I'm ready to turn you even worse than you already are.
What the Sigma? KJ の20の型。なぜならばこれで終わりだからだ。KJ21。厳重な作品。時々あの日を経験していなかった俺は今どうなってるか考えることがある。なぜならばこれで終わりだから。
So, basically, they're trying to like, they thought I took the medkit. What a monkeys thought I took the medkit. Oh yeah, I did take the medkit, you monkey. Oh. My apologies, great ginger. Overreact. This guy is funny. Look at him. Okay, since you. Okay, since when did we come no enemies now? No one. Okay, since when did we, I don't know. I don't know. Hold up. Okay. Hey, thanks for the order. Now I'm just gonna. Why is her run like this? Sir. Oh, dude. Oh, you am. Mm. Wow, Babby, what the hell? Nigga, this idiot. You know what he's saying? Combos, combos, and then the next round, fucking. What's it called again? Time stopwatch. And coughing and laughing at the same time. Yo, where my Ormond at? Mad, I'm not taking that. Oh my god. Ooh, ooh, I'm gonna eat. Devoured the back cutely. Very cutely. Devoured the bed very cutely. I totally devours. I totally devours the Mac cutely. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. Someone did. I'm gonna change my mind. My apologies. My apologies. Oh, no. That's fast enough. Okay. No need to, Can I take you this one? What do you mean? Can I take this one? I don't want to make it. Cutely devours. Right, come here. I'm gonna take the box chocolate. No. I love box chocolate. I love box chocolate. Box chocolate. Can I? Okay. Box chocolate. Okay. Go ahead. I don't need a. Okay. I need to complete that machine over there. Yo, Pebble. Hold on. We go very fast. Why the hell am I? You could have took it, bro. I won't be mad. No, I am not. I'm doing diarrhea. I'm doing diet. I'm doing diet. I'm doing diet. I'm doing diet. I'm trying to. I am trying to learn walking. I'm trying to learn walking because I forgot. Because I forgot. When I was 6. I forgot when I was 6. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, okay. I accidentally hit my knee too hard, you know? Knee surgery. Okay, first aid, I'm taking that. Oh my god. Oh my. First aid. First aid. First aid. I saved you. Now I die. Just kidding. No! Just kidding. Calm down, bro. We got Poppy, Rudy, Cosmo. Okay. Not a dairy. Unexpected doing. Oh shit. Oh, I don't want to get hitboxed. I don't know how I get hitboxed and say I'm recording. Anyways, as I was saying, over my dead body. What do you mean by that, my broski? Oh, hell no, wait a minute. Let me just do the machine. No! I used it! Why did the Vimo work? Oh, come on! This is the second time happening. Tired of these stuff happening. Oh, no. Okay, W. 7 machines. I've been through worse when I was doing solo. Oh! Bro. Floor 20. Either 10 or 11 machines. If I remember correctly, there's a lot of machines. Mostly in Astro's room. Didn't want to get Toby's attention. Okay, just go. Oh my god. Speed! 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 Bravo! Fuck. Oh no. You know what? How will you distract me? Oh, dog! He's an extractor! Bro! He's an extractor. He's an extractor, Pebble. Only heal people alone. Only heal people at 1. That's right. Yeah. Cause you don't want to waste your disgusting tapes or hearts on these motherfuckers that always get themselves hit every fucking second. Oh my god. Sickness is so strong. Yes! I can buy ginger. I can buy ginger now. You know what? Maybe it's worth dying right now. Oh, give me that. Where is Ginger? Don't leave me here. Don't worry, I'll add you. Don't worry, I'll add you. I don't watch. No watch. Or you can say hunt. Okay. Besides, I got nothing to do with my sickness. Okay, my lag is just straight up crazy with recordings. I need to end this like completely quick. I'm sorry, guys. No long quick videos. Dog, hold on. I need. Yo. I need Ginger's attention. I need 10 research. I need 10 research. Please. Distractor's real. Distractor Gustin is real. God, I love the evil layer music for happening. Should always happen when there's a call and above it match. Oh, there's an ornament. Hold on. Ornament. Oh, it's ornament. Sorry. Sorry, kids. Keep forgetting the words. You know, us. Old guys like us. Okay. Even Gustin does a better job than Pebble. For real. I don't know why. But that is really true. Okay, Gustin. Kinda gotta... Oh, okay, look at that amount of attention I got. Oh my! That amount of attention. That amount of attention. Okay, that was a lot of ornaments collected over there. That means 50. Sad. 18. What's wrong, buddy? Real, give Gustin pops. Fuck. You're so happy you're wagging your tail, monkey. Actually. Come on, buddy. Dude. Okay, you know what? Let me just send him a friend request. Oh, they dress up as me. Sit on trash and just distracting. Dang! Dang! Nah, bro. You seriously gonna take that? You're seriously. Just go to the top side. No worries. I know. It takes a lot of time to distract. You know, 1 month ago, I wanted to be a distractor, but my lag was strong. Last time, my lag was not as strong, and I was used to be a really great distractor. I led like some people to like floor 10, 11, but I had to go, or either I just died. Get to the elevator. Man, I'm dead. Listen, your turn distracting. I'm gonna distract. Babysit Gustin. I'm in serious trouble. Okay. I have 1 HP. Not anymore, I guess. Or maybe. I'm floor 12. Floor 12? Hold on, what floor is this? Can't see through the recording. Guys, hurry! Also, me. Yellow United Signals one. Okay, well, this is a hard decision. Line up. Everyone's dying. Everyone, even V. Even V. Even V, dog. Oh, even V, bro. Who even else? Okay, V and Gustin are really fine here. Rudy. No. Why do I keep up missing mix-up? Wait, 4 Twisted. You got Ginger. Yes! Okay, I gotta not die at this one. Okay, you take Taisha away. I need Ginger's attention. Like, mostly her attention. Mostly. I need her attention. Just want to, like, see her and just run away. Oh. Oh, there she is. Hold on. Go away. No! I need her attention. Okay, good job, good job, good job. V, I'm sorry. I know you had that 2-star stout. Hold on. Sorry for wasting your hearts. It's fine. I'm not gonna heal. I can do this with 1 heart. No worries. I know 1 heart is really risky. No, I can do 1 heart. If I find a bat, I'm just gonna use it instantly. Because fuck. If I get hitbox on this, I swear to God. So that's for someone else now. We were. Oh, oh. Well, there goes one. Oh my God. Sorry, Roger. Sorry. Oh, this sickness is strong. Dog, no, man. No. Cosmo. How long are you gonna chase me? Oh my God. Listen. Please. Oh my god. Gosh dang it. Yo, Army we want. I've never seen this guy talk. BMW. Very great car. Can't even talk. Yeah. 1 second straight up. Hey, go, just run. Run. Oh no, I'm doomed. Please. Okay, let's go. It's us. It's us. Okay, look, I'm gonna die on this floor. So, I don't know, dog. We're gonna die. I'm just gonna collect the ornaments. Ornaments. I think I need to collect ornaments. We will do it again. You're alone with this owner, Archer. No, man. No, man. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. This shit, bro. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Sickness. Oh. Nightmare. It's been a long time since I saw this person. I don't even remember. Ginger. 77% fine. It was 41. Now I can buy ginger. Or either I save up for coal. And possibly, but I don't know, but I kind of want to try out ginger. Basically, yeah, cool down 100 just like Sprout. Wait, Sprout's 110. Or did I just get... Okay, hold on. I think I messed up. No way it's 100. Okay, yeah, bro. How? Okay, whatever. Yeah, it's a bigger range, too. So, okay, let me take, I gotta take either a save up for her. I mean, save up for her. Oh, she's. I thought Cole was actually. But it was a she. Yeah, basically pet. Think about it. Oh, Ginger, she's so sweet. Like the biggest fan of her baking. Yum. There we go, we got Ginger. Oh, there we go, we got Ginger. What if you were now? Really happy. Got it. Okay, let's check out our master. Number 1, we got 25, okay. Pick up to 85 items. Survive 30 floors. I hate these masters that survive floors, I swear to God. Survive 10 floors with 2 other people. Okay, it's like Shrimpo. Travel 55,000 meters. Is there a movie speed 2? Shit, it's gonna be long. Use 35 items, okay. At least Ani isn't the slowest character. It's like Shrimpo. Shrimpo's faster anyway. Yeah, pretty much that's Ginger. I'm gonna try to get Ginger's Tage. Gonna be really taking a while because she got a run animation. We gotta get more run animations. We gotta get V, Shelly, Shrimpo, Razzle Dazzle. It's a good Razzle Dazzle anyway. Anyways, goodbye guys. Thank you for watching.